Blessings, everybody. Greetings. Welcome back to my channel. This night, beautiful night. Just want a quick message to just to put it out there that you gotta break eggs to bake a cake. Understand what I'm saying? You gotta break eggs to bake a cake. You can't keep staying stagnant. Can't keep doing the same thing. That egg sitting there need to be used. So in order to be used, you're gonna have to become vulnerable. You're going to have to open up. You're going to have to crack that egg open because what's inside you is what's being needed. You understand what I'm saying? Maybe it's a message for me, you know what I mean? But I feel like, hey, it's a message for all of us for real. I'm just a vessel. He working through me, you know? When he need to get something through me, he crack me open. He open my mouth up. I just make sure it's something positive coming out. So however you take that, you know what I'm saying? But till next time, people, peace and love. And remember, any negativity you throw at me, bounces off me, sticks onto you. Crack that egg open so you can bake that cake and get your blessings.